let's get ready because now, for the first time, Miss Gay Pageant dito sa Comedy Bar. Put your hands together for our comedy beauty, and here we go.
Woo! Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Comedy Bar. Tonight, we are in search for our new Miss Comedy Bar 2010 Animal Division. Here are the not so lovely candidates in the swimwear, brought to you by DPWH. Candidate number 1.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Nasa inyong harapan, ang napakaganda ang kamukha ni Era Madrigal. Ako po si Angel at naniniwala sa isang simpleng kasabihan. Hindi lahat ng may magandang mukha ay babae. Malay nyo, ako pala ang dati nyong kumpare.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1. Candidate number 2.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mariko. Mariko sa gabi.
Pare ko sa umaga.
At isa lang po kasabihan na paniniwalaan ko, di man ako kasing ganda ng nanay nyo o sing sexy ng ate nyo. Malay nyo, ako
Ang kuya nyo.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. Candidate number 3.
Mabuhay. Mabuhay. I spent 7 years of my life in the States. Pero po, nalaman ko na pusong Pinoy pa rin po pala talaga ako. My name is Petit Brokovich at naniniwala po ko sa kasabihan na binitaw ni Dr. Jose Rizal na ang taong hindi marunong magmahal sa sariling wika sa call center naglipana!
Thank you very much, candidate number 3. And last but not the least, put your hands together for candidate number 4. Mysterious.
Nakatakot.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Dumating na sa inyong harapan ang kakaibang Diyosa ng kagandahan. And I stand 6 feet below the ground. Ito po ang inyong bagong Rosalinda. My name is Carla Abellana. Naniniwala sa kasabihang, pag maaraw at biglang umulan, kinakasalantik balang.
Put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for our 4 not-so-lovely candidates. We come now to the most exciting part of the pageant, and that is the question and answer portion. Candidate number 1, step forward, please. Doon muna ako, Bes, ha?
Sige, go, Beth.
You look very intelligent.
Thank you so much.
What is your favorite subject?
Ever since I was a child, my favorite subject is science.
Well, that's very difficult. What's your favorite planet?
Ever since I was a child, my favorite planet is Mercury.
Mercury. Interesting. Why Mercury?
Dahil sa Mercury, nakakasigurado po kayong gamot ay laging bago.
Thank you very much, candidate number 1. Candidate number 2. If you were to become an animal, what animal would you like to be?
Oh. I would like to be an amphibian.
Amphibian. Why amphibian?
Because an amphibian is an animal who can live both water and land.
Nice answer. Can you give us an example of an amphibian?
Oh. A frog.
Nice. How about another example?
Oh. Another frog. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 2. Put your hands together for the very confident candidate number 3. You seem to be the crowd's favorite candidate number 3. How are you?
I'm hungry.
Well, I can see that. What for you is the most important part of your body?
Sorry?
What for you is the most important part of your body?
Well, the best part of my body is that my neck.
Why your neck? Parang wala ka namang neck.
Because my neck holds my head, and my head holds my face, for I believe that my beautiful face will hold the crown for tonight's competition.
Confident! What is the second most important part of your body?
Second?
Yes.
Well, my second part of my body is that my kidney.
Your kidney. Why your kidney?
Because I believe that kidney is the capital of Australia. Thank you.
Okay pa kaya ito? The third most important part of your body for you?
My mouth.
Why your mouth?
Because that is the place where I live, Mount Mayon Volcano. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 3. Pasensya, may sakit siya. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 4. Do you want an easy or a difficult question?
I am the most intelligent candidate, so I'd like you to throw the most difficult question you can ever think of.
I love this.
And excuse me, Mr. Host. Ask me in English, please.
Wow. So what is the longest Tagalog word that you know in the dictionary?
You don't know?
I don't know, that's why I'm asking.
The longest Tagalog word which I googled is nagsisipag-sinungalingan.
What does that mean?
It means pretending as if telling lies. Now you know.
Are you Manny Pacquiao? Next question.
Excuse me. Is this a quiz bee?
No, you just have to answer, okay? What is the longest English word that you know?
You also don't know?
I don't know.
The longest English word that I know is pneumono-ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis.
What does that mean?
It's an inflammation of the lungs caused by the inhalation of silica dust.
Nice.
Is that all?
Next question.
What level?
Difficult.
Oh, my.
Aside from your face, what is your problem?
Well, Mr. Host, let me tell you this. I don't think I have a problem with my face because I'm used to it. It is you asking me that question, therefore I think you are the problem and you are my problem.
Excuse me, candidate number 4. Do you really think that I have a problem with my face?
Excuse me, Mr. Host. This is comedy bar. Joke, joke, joke.
Okay.
One last
question.
Last.
Kung mamamatay ka bukas,
Alam mo na yan!
bakit di pa ngayon?
As I've said, Mr. Host, English, please.
If you were to die tomorrow, why not today?
Well, Mr. Host, let me tell you this. I am not in a hurry. Are you in a hurry? Go ahead.
Do you really think I am in a hurry?
Mr. Host,
Uh-huh.
can I say something in Tagalog?
Go ahead.
Di bali na pong matalo, wag lang matanggal dito.
Thank you very much, candidate number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, palapakan niyo po sila. Marico, Angel, Petit, and Tomas. O sige na, magsalasa kayo. Bumalik kayo sa sirko.
Thank you very much, beautiful ladies.